Alright guys, hi, Susan here. I wanted to do a quick video to let you know I'm back. So I took a little break just to kind of regroup, and then of course I got sick and that didn't help, but then the hurricane came and that didn't help, so it prolonged my uploading videos and I'm really sorry for that. But I have uploaded some short videos and I'm enjoying doing that. I'm giving you very strategic tricks and tips on my channel with these little mini shorts, so make sure you watch those if you haven't. But I am back with one of my exclusive patterns. You guys have been asking for an awful long time for a knit block dress, and this is my knit jersey dress. It is my basic dress. It is dartless. It is 3 pieces, front dress, it is a back dress, and it is a sleeve. And this is the first draft of it, and it does have a lining to clean off the neckline. I'm going to explain all of that to you, but I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know that I'm going to do a special thing for my YouTube premium memberships. So if you don't know that already, I have on my channel a way to support my channel. There's 2 levels on my channel. The first one is just plain supporting me. It's a very small fee that you can just kind of put on there on a monthly basis to say thank you for being on all these years and giving us this content. The second level, you get a perk. It's my premium membership level, and on that level is a small group of very dedicated, loyal fans who want to learn more from me and not able to pay the hourly fee or the bi-weekly fee. So this way, for $9.99, you get to have me once a month with a Zoom meeting. Yes, guys, where I answer anything that you are struggling with. I demonstrate for you right there and then. But this time, I'm going to launch this dress with the pattern, and I'm going to give just my premium membership people an opportunity for a 2-part series that we're going to do, where the first part I'm going to show you how to find the size, mapping out your size, cutting the right size of this pattern that I'm going to upload. And then the second part is actually going to be sewing techniques of putting this dress together. You're only going to be able to get that 2-part series on my Zoom meetings with my premium membership for now. And as it grows, we'll see if I do a separate Zoom meeting in the future. But that's how you're going to be able to get it, guys. So I want you, first of all, buy the pattern. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ring that notification so you don't miss my videos when they're uploaded. And join on my YouTube page on your laptop or your desktop computer. You're going to see a bar on the top. And at the top, it will say join. Join right there to get in my premium membership group meetings that are once a month. It's usually a Monday, and I give you the opportunity to ask your questions ahead of time so I can be prepared for you. And this way, you're not going to miss out on the launch of this pattern and everything that you want to know about this knit dress jersey block pattern. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.